Are you tired of cluttered desks and limited computing power? Mini PCs are the perfect solution. These compact devices pack a punch, offering impressive performance and versatility in a tiny package. From budget-friendly options to high-end gaming rigs, we've rounded up the top 7 best mini PCs for your consideration. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 7. Asus Vivam Mini UN65H. Meet the Asus Vivam Mini UN65H, a revolutionary mini PC that packs a punch in a tiny package. Weighing in at just 0.66 pounds and measuring only 6.3 inches in diameter, this pint-sized powerhouse is designed to fit seamlessly into any home or office setup. Equipped with an Intel Core i1 processor, the Vivam Mini UN65H delivers exceptional performance and efficiency, allowing you to run multiple tasks simultaneously without lag. The 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and 256 GB SSD storage ensure smooth operation and fast boot times. The Vivam Mini UN65H features multiple connectivity options, including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and an SD card slot. It also supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless connectivity. With its built-in speaker and microphone, you can enjoy an immersive audio experience without the need for external devices. Perfect for gaming, streaming, and productivity, the Asus Vivam Mini UN65H is an ideal solution for anyone looking for a compact and powerful mini PC. Its sleek design and whisper-quiet operation make it perfect for use in living rooms, bedrooms, or home offices. Number 6. Intel NUC. The Intel NUC, next unit of computing, is a compact, powerful, and versatile mini PC that packs a punch in a small package. Measuring just 4 inches tall and 4 inches wide, this tiny computer is perfect for those who want a reliable and efficient machine for everyday tasks. With the Intel NUC, you can enjoy a fast and seamless computing experience with its 8th Gen Intel Core processor, up to 16 GB of RAM, and up to 2 TB of storage. Whether you're streaming movies, playing games, or working on demanding applications, this mini PC can handle it all with ease. The Intel NUC also features stunning visuals with Intel Iris Graphics 640, making it perfect for watching movies, playing games, or creating content. Plus, with USB-C and USB-A ports, you can easily connect your peripherals and devices. The Intel NUC is designed for versatility and flexibility, making it perfect for upgrade your computing experience with the Intel NUC, the ultimate mini PC for any task. Number 5. Gigabyte BRX. The Gigabyte BRX is a revolutionary mini PC that packs a punch in a small package. Measuring just 4.1 inches tall and 1.5 inches wide, this tiny computer is designed to fit seamlessly into any home or office setting. Powered by a 2.4 GHz Intel Core i3 processor, the BRX offers impressive processing power and efficiency, making it perfect for everyday tasks such as web browsing, email, and office work. With 8 GB of DDR3 RAM and a 128 GB SSD, the BRX provides ample memory and storage for storing files and programs. The device also features a range of connectivity options, including 2 USB 3.0 ports, an HDMI port, and an Ethernet port, making it easy to connect peripherals and accessories. The Gigabyte BRX is also energy efficient, consuming only 15 W of power while in use. This makes it an ideal solution for budget-conscious users or those who want to reduce their environmental impact. With its compact design and impressive performance, the Gigabyte BRX is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable mini PC. Number 4. HP EliteDesk 800G3 Mini. The HP EliteDesk 800G3 Mini is a compact, powerful, and versatile desktop designed for businesses of all sizes. This tiny powerhouse packs a punch with its latest 7th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and 256 gigabytes SSD storage, providing lightning-fast performance and reliability. The Mini PC measures just 1.2 inches tall and weighs only 2.9 pounds, making it easy to place almost anywhere. The Elite 800 G3 Mini features a sleek, stylish design with a metal chassis and a removable top panel for easy upgrades. With 6 USB ports, 2 display ports, and an HDMI port, you can connect multiple devices and displays with ease. The PC also has a range of security features, including HP Client Security Suite, Trusted Platform Module, TPM, and biometric authentication options. Perfect for professionals who need a compact and powerful workstation, the HP Elite 800 G3 Mini is ideal for use in small offices, conference rooms, or as a mobile workstation. With its compact size, impressive performance, and robust security features, this Mini PC is the perfect solution for businesses that demand reliability and efficiency. Number 3. Lenovo PC. Elevate your computing experience with the Lenovo PC, designed to provide seamless performance, reliability, and style. Our latest PC lineup features cutting-edge technology, advanced features, and sleek designs to meet the demands of your busy lifestyle. The Lenovo PC is built with powerful processors from Intel and AMD, providing lightning-fast speeds and efficient multitasking capabilities. With up to 16 hours of battery life, you can stay productive on the go without worrying about running out of power. Enjoy vibrant visuals on our high-definition displays, featuring wide viewing angles, crisp colors, and stunning clarity. Our touch-enabled screens offer intuitive navigation and precision control. Protect your data and identity with our advanced security features, including fingerprint readers, facial recognition, and comprehensive virus protection. Take your Lenovo PC anywhere with its slim and lightweight design, perfect for working remotely or commuting. The sleek aluminum body and precision-crafted keyboard provide a comfortable typing experience. Upgrade to the Lenovo PC today and discover a world of possibilities. From work to play, our PCs are designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. Number 2. Acer Revo One RL85. Immerse yourself in a world of entertainment with the Acer Revo One RL85, a sleek and powerful mini PC designed to deliver exceptional performance and versatility. This compact powerhouse packs a punch, featuring an Intel Core i5 processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and a 256 gigabytes solid-state drive for lightning-fast loading times. Enjoy seamless connectivity with dual HDMI ports, USB-C, and Wi-Fi 6 support, perfect for connecting your favorite devices and streaming content from the cloud. The Revo One RL85 also comes with a built-in DVD drive and supports up to 4K Ultra HD resolution at 60 Hz for stunning visuals. With Windows 10 Home pre-installed, you'll have access to a wide range of apps and features, including Microsoft Office and Amazon Alexa integration. Plus, the Revo One RL85 is designed to be quiet and energy efficient, making it perfect for use in any room in your home or office. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just working on the go, the Acer Revo One RL85 is the perfect companion for your digital lifestyle. Number 1. Dell Inspiron Small. Introducing the Dell Inspiron Small, a compact and powerful laptop designed for on-the-go productivity and entertainment. Weighing in at just 2.75 volts, this lightweight laptop is perfect for students, professionals, and travelers who need a reliable device that can keep up with their active lifestyle. The Dell Inspiron Small features an 11.6 HD display with a 1366 x 768 resolution, providing a clear and vibrant visual experience. Powered by an Intel Celeron processor, this laptop delivers fast and efficient performance for tasks such as browsing, emailing, and streaming. The 4 gigabytes of RAM ensures seamless multitasking capabilities, while the 64 gigabytes eMMC storage provides ample space for your files and programs. With up to 12 hours of battery life, you can enjoy all-day use without worrying about running out of power. The laptop also features a range of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB ports. Plus, the Inspiron Small is designed with durability in mind, featuring a sturdy build and spill-resistant keyboard. Whether you're working remotely, studying for exams, or just browsing your favorite websites, the Dell Inspiron Small is the perfect companion for any occasion. So guys, that's all for Top 7 Best Mini PCs. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.